I want to congratulate you on watching all the 60 videos on how to code MT4 trade copier in MQL4. If you have watched these videos, then I'm sure you have now pretty good understanding of MQL4 language and how you would trade code EAs. Coding EA just needs practice and some effort. If you are not going to code here yourself, you're just going to copy and paste code, then you'll never learn programming. If you want to learn programming, then you have to do few projects yourself. I also learned programming by doing the projects myself. This Telegram signals bot idea came to my mind. Then I thought about it. Trade copier EAs are available on the internet. Some are being sold for $100, some are being sold for $200. There are monthly services also. They are charging you $20 per month for 5 accounts, $50 per month for 50 accounts. At that time, I had learned programming sufficiently, so I said, why don't I code it myself? But idea comes and then you code it. It takes time. So took me a few months. First, I did some research, and on the internet, I found a Telegram EA freely available. I looked at it, and from there, I picked up this idea of the web request and all these things. But then I coded everything myself. I got that idea, but then I coded all the functions and everything in the EA myself. It took me roughly like uh, mm, uh, 3 4 months. I did work frantically every day. Some days I would not work, even for a week I would not work. And I produced version 1, then I ran it on the MT4. There were some bugs, I removed them. Then I started using this trade copier EA in my live trading, and more ideas came to my mind how I can improve the code, or how I can add more functionality to the trade copier EA. So I kept on improving it, and this is the way I have learned programming. So I would suggest that now you have got a fairly good idea how to program EA in MT for MQL4 for MT4. So you should try it yourself. But if you still think that you want the code, then you message me and I will send you the trade copier EA code file.